Hey, this is Antoine. I'm going to show you how to add your Google Ads phone number to your Google Business profile. Now, you're probably wondering why you want to do this. You might want to use a different phone number from your primary Google Business phone number for tracking purposes. Google lets you set these up separately so your ads can display one number while your Google Business Maps show another. Let me show you exactly how to do this. Before we dive in, first, I just want to go over a couple of quick things. This is completely optional. If you don't have a separate Google Ads phone number, your ads will just show whatever your primary phone number is, which is on your Google Business profile right now. Second, there are some restrictions. You can't use any like premium rate numbers, no 900 numbers or 871 numbers in the UK. It needs to be a standard phone number. And third, you can actually use the same Google Ads phone number across multiple business locations. So if you only have one of these numbers and you have like 5 locations, you can still use that for all the locations. All right, let me just dive in real quick. So all you got to do is be logged into your profile right here. Just click these 3 dots. Go to business profile settings, click on advanced settings, scroll down to where it says Google Ads phone number, click the little pencil, and then just add your number 213-458-9872. And all you got to do is click save, and there it is. You're all set up, ready to go. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Have a great day.